So hello students, in this question we will discuss about the compound interest that will be calculated half yearly. The interest will be calculated half yearly. In previous question we have discussed about the question calculated annually. Now we are going to discuss the compound interest that is being calculated half yearly. So in this question we have been given that find the amount. We have to find amount which Ram will get on rupees itna, means 4096, that is being principal. He gave it for 18 months, means time is given that 1.5 year at 12 1 upon 2%, means rate of interest is 12 1 upon 2% annum. Interest being calculated half yearly, but there is a bit change in the question that when we have to calculate the interest, that is compound interest, but the interest is calculated half yearly. So in this question we have to see, we will write solution. Given what we have been given, we have given the principal that is 4096 and the time is given that we will write small n, 18 months. 18 months can be written as 1 year 1.5, means 1 साल और 6 महीने, means आधा. That can be written as 3 upon 2 in a fraction form, and rate of interest is 12 1 upon 2%, that is 25 upon 2%. But there is a bit change in this question. Whenever we have to calculate the compound interest half yearly, a little thing you should keep in your mind that the time will be double. When we calculate the compound interest half yearly, the time will be double. So 3 upon 2 into 2 means time is double. 2 cancel, that is 3. Okay. Rate of interest that is 25 upon 2 and the rate of interest will be half, means आपको उसका आधा करना है. तो 25 का half क्या होगा? 25, that is 25 upon 4%. So we have the principal, time and the rate of interest. So to find out we have to find amount. So according to our formula, that is A is equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 over N. N is the time, R is the rate of interest, P is the principal and A, that is amount that is being calculated. Okay, so amount is equals to, what is the principal? That is 4096. 1. What is the rate of interest? That is 24 upon 4. What is the time? That is 3. Now we calculate this, that is 4096 into 1 plus, if the denominator will come at this position, that is 24 upon 4 into 100, like this. And we know the table that 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. So we get a fraction 4096 into 1 upon 16. Okay, so after that the calculation is, we will take the LCM. For this we know that A is equals to 4096 into 1 plus 1 upon 16 power 3. A is equals to 4096 and we will calculate this, we will get 17 upon 16 power 3. When there is a power 3, we will write the form in 3 times. 4096 into 17 into 17 and into 17 upon 16 into 16 into 16. Now we will cut the products from the two table. So 2 8s are 2 2s are 0 4 8. 2 4s are 1s are 0 2 4. 2 2s are 5 6 2. 5 1 2. So the amount is 512 into 17 into 17 into 17 upon 2 into 16 into 16. So if we cut this by this, 2 1 are 2 and we will get 256. And we know the square of 16, that is 256, and 16 1 are 16, 16 1 are 16. So we get the final value, that is A is equals to 17 into 17 into 17. And as we know that 17 square is 289, and we multiply this by 17, we will get A is equals to 4903, means 13. So this is your final amount, which is being calculated half yearly at the compound interest. And in this question we have not been asked about compound interest, we have only asked about the amount, so we calculated the amount. So this is your solution. So if you like it, share it and subscribe my channel.